it's Leah and Jessica. We're traveling south from Minnesota to Florida, and we finally made it to West Palm Beach. We love it here so much. The beach is so beautiful and clear. These birds are so fun. You just keep chasing them and they'll just keep playing along. We got to see my mom and dad who live in Florida and my beautiful puppy Presley, best golden retriever ever, my favorite thing. We got to hang out with him. He loves the van so much, and my dad really wants us to take him, but we won't, so you have to leave him here.
Good job.
Leah and I got to paddleboard to an island just off of Singer Island, which is called Peanut Island. And this island was actually created with all of the sand that they use to create and dig out the inlet. So it's a man-made island. It's so beautiful. I got to snorkel on the reef there, and it was so magical. And walking the trails on the inside of the island, it was just really beautiful and fun.
Where are we, Leah?
Some tiny island on the Keys.
We paddleboarded from over there somewhere and found this little island, and it's super groovy. There's a swing on it.
That's the island that we just left. And we are going back all the way down through there, past a bridge, and to our inlet. It is beautiful out here. Then we drove from West Palm Beach to Key Largo. There we stayed at a really close church to my heart called Coral Isles, and I got to lead some worship while we were there. We got to park at the church, and they were so sweet. They even left the church open for us. Their church has so many big iguanas that live around there, and Leah and I had so much fun messing with them. You guys, so much fun.
Today we are at State Park. What's it called? John Pennecamp State Park in Florida, Key Largo, and we are going to go for another paddleboard ride. We parked our van at this little lot because the other one was full of those people at the beach. We're gonna have lunch on the paddleboard and explore and see what it has to offer. We are at Turtle Grass Creek, and Leah is paddling us. Lunchtime.
So the rentals for this park aren't supposed to go past this point. But we are in a rental.
Fish has bright blue eyes. What are the ones you said you'd be scared of?
Join us next week as we leave the Keys, drive through the Everglades, and head up the Gulf Coast of Florida.